What's going on, everybody? Brian Mann here, Hands-On Auto Training, end of day, September 9th, 2021. Guys, I got something special for you. If you watch this complete video, you'll see it. But I gotta tell you, starting out here, if I was working a regular job or if I was working in a shop, I probably would have taken the entire day off. I had some personal things going on with my father, but praise the Lord, the procedures seemed like they went well, and I'm hoping he recovers well, so I was wrapped up with that the majority of my day. I almost forgot, premium members, we got our membership meeting tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you there. Now, I only did one job today, and that was a 2011 Chevy Silverado. This was a TCM. Guys, this is the first time, for whatever reason, I haven't done any GMs this week. This is the first General Motors product that I actually did a programming on using TechLine Connect. I'm a longtime user of TechLine Connect for coming up on a year now. But just recently, if you're not aware, GM Sundown SPS1. So everything is SPS2. And you kind of get to it via TechLine Connect. And instead of having the app on your desktop like you did before, which is how I was doing it before, now I have to go online to TechLine Connect, or should I say AC Delco, log into my account and access TechLine Connect through that. Really, it was an uneventful program for me. It went perfectly smooth. Nothing really changed. It seemed like it took just a minute longer to log in, but no big deal. If that's the worst of it for me, I'm pretty happy. Now, I gotta tell you about this. Check this out. Alrighty, everybody. Can you see where that's from? Check that out. Got a nice package here. Feeling a little bit heavy. Kind of liking it. What do you think's going on here, everybody? Well, let me show you. This is from AES. AES Wave, that is. Check this out. I'm excited. I'm hoping you're excited too, because there's something cool in here. Ooh, what is this, everybody? These are U-scope covers. A lot of them. What do you think that's all about? Let's take a look here. Keep on digging. The basic kit. Well, I'll tell you what it is, everybody. I went ahead and purchased a bunch of U-scopes with a little bit of help from AES Wave, but for the most part, it's all me. We've got ourselves 10 U-scopes we're going to be giving away over the next 10 months. And this is for anybody that's a member of the Hands-On Auto Training Core or Premium site. You'll be entered to win a drawing once a month, as long as you remember, to win a U-scope kit. Hey guys, the reason I'm doing this is because I truly feel that if you want to be a better technician, having the ability to see things with a scope is going to make a big difference in your game. There's a lot of technicians that won't get into scope testing. Maybe it's holding back on price. So basically, if you win one of these scopes and you're not going to use it, or you already have a Pico scope, or you already have a U-scope, I would beg you to just give it to somebody who's going to benefit. I'm sure we all know a technician that could benefit from having a better piece of equipment. So that's what's going to be going on. Keep an eye out. Head over to handsonautotraining.com and sign up now to become a member of the Premium or Core membership packages, and then you'll automatically be entered in to win one of these U-scopes. They'll be given away, like I said, once a month over the next 10 months starting in October 2021. Let me know if you have any questions. You guys have a great day.